If you're a computer artist, you may have used a tablet to draw. Maybe you've become quite good, but here's the thing, it's missing something. We think that something is friction feedback. Think about it. When you draw with a real pen, you're getting a lot of information back from the resistance of the pen against the paper. You can feel the bumps, the amount of ink, the shape of the tip. Rough Sketch is a way of exploring techniques that we use not only as artists, but as writers, note takers, or doodlers. This is drawing from the perspective of an implement, but the T-pad affords more than that. Unlike real life, we can use the T-pad to touch what we've drawn and understand it in a totally different way. This goes for interaction techniques like zooming, too. It's a great question, what does zooming feel like? And we can make new tools. Our paintbrushes take inspiration from real life, but they're doing something new. And we think that's the power of a tool like the T-pad, not only to support the interactions we want to replicate, but to allow new ones to emerge.